Welcome, beautiful soul. You're here now, safe, grounded, and ready to release the weight of overwhelming stress. Let's take this time together to breathe, soften, and find your calm center. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let the weight of the day begin to lift as you settle into this moment. Breathe in calmness, breathe out tension. With each inhale, imagine a warm golden light filling your chest. With each exhale, release all tightness and worry, letting it dissolve like mist. Scan your body softly from head to toe. Notice where stress lingers, the tight jaw, clenched shoulders, or heavy chest. Breathe gently into those places. Allow them to soften, loosen, and open. There is space for peace here. Picture yourself standing beside a calm river. The water flows steadily, carrying away leaves, twigs, and debris, your stress and overwhelm. Watch them float downstream, growing smaller, lighter, until they disappear beyond the horizon. Feel your own heart growing lighter too. Silently or aloud repeat, I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My breath is my anchor. Peace flows through me like a river. Repeat this 2 more times, silently or aloud. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My breath is my anchor. Peace flows through me like a river. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My breath is my anchor. Peace flows through me like a river. Take one more deep breath. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying calm with you into the day. Thank you for gifting yourself this moment of peace. Carry this calm with you as you move through your day. Remember, your breath is always here to anchor you. Until next time, stay grounded and radiant.